Never run out of battery again with the INIU portable charger, the slimmest 10,000 milliamp hour power bank that keeps your devices charged on the go. Stay powered up wherever you go. Click the link in the video description to shop now on Amazon.
Welcome to the Kanye Scope, where we dive into the latest news and developments in the life of one of music's most provocative figures. Today, we're talking about Kanye West, who's facing nearly a dozen lawsuits that accuse him of some pretty serious offenses. First off, let's get into why Bianca Censori, his wife, has suddenly been granted power of attorney over his business dealings and decisions. According to court papers obtained by In Touch Weekly, Kanye allegedly admitted in a document called Designation of Agency that Bianca is now his power of attorney. This means she can handle everything from business deals to professional decisions on his behalf. Now, it's worth noting that this move comes after a very public split between Kanye and Censori just days ago. In fact, he even rapped about her in a new track. But despite their recent breakup, they've been spotted together in Spain, suggesting that things might not be as cut and dried as they seem. The issue here is that Bianca's newfound power of attorney has raised some eyebrows among Kanye's former employees and other parties who are suing him for various offenses. One of the plaintiffs, Benjamin Provo, a former Yeezy employee, claims that he was discriminated against and unfairly terminated from his job due to his race. According to Provo, when he filed a lawsuit against Kanye and his company in 2024, Bianca was mentioned as someone involved in the rapper's business dealings. Provo argues that Kanye himself made the power of attorney important to the case, which means he should be able to share this document with his lawyers. However, Kanye's lawyer claims that the document is confidential and must not be shared outside of this legal case unless the court allows it. But Provo sees it as illogical to need a protective order just to see the document, especially since Kanye made it public in the first place. This isn't the only lawsuit that Bianca's newfound power of attorney has sparked. There are also allegations that she was not subpoenaed to testify in court as required by law. In fact, the court has ordered Kanye to give a deposition, which means he'll have to answer questions under oath about his business dealings and decisions. It's worth noting that this is just one of many lawsuits that Kanye is facing right now. He's been sued by teachers, staff, and models who claim he sexually assaulted them, as well as former employees like Provo who say they were discriminated against or treated unfairly. As we follow the latest developments in Kanye West's legal woes, it's clear that his business dealings and personal life are becoming increasingly entangled. Will Bianca Censori be able to navigate these complex issues on her husband's behalf? Only time will tell.